Alright, before now, I used to think Instagram gets to ban your account or disable your account or suspend your account if you are spamming Instagram, if you are doing a lot of things at the same time. Probably you are liking a lot of pictures at the same time, you are trying to comment a lot of comments at the same time. But now I'm surprised because I don't know what really causes you being suspended. Because I just logged into my account now and I noticed that I've been suspended. If you see the date here, you can see it since May 17 and today is June 2nd. Like, I just have to abandon it because I was kind of angry. Should I say, I don't want to use the word frustrated. I was kind of angry that my account got suspended for no reason. But then I've done this before. I have been able to recover my account before. So I felt I should do a video this time around to guide those that faces these challenges, how they can recover their account. So for you to recover your account, if you are facing this particular challenge, probably your account got suspended, I'll be showing you the step you have to follow. If you come to this interface, you can see that down here they have somewhere they wrote appeal. You don't want to click on appeal because most times it doesn't lead to positive results. It's a thing of luck if you use this appeal button. So for you to recover your account, you need to go to your Chrome browser. So right here, I'm on my Chrome browser. So what you want to do at this point is you want to search for the word Instagram App Center. So let's search for that. Instagram App Center. So once you search for this word, you can see the first link on the search query. The first link on the search result, is Instagram App Center. So just tap on it to open that link. So once this is open, this is where you get to request for help on Instagram. Any challenges you are facing, this is where you get to request for help. Just tap on this hamburger icon up here. So once you tap on that, you can see we have Instagram features, manage your accounts, staying safe, privacy, security and reporting, terms and policy, then threads. So you want to click on privacy, security and reporting. So once you click on that, then you check through what they have. You can see they have managing your privacy, login and password, how to report things, Australia Online Safety Act on Instagram, impersonation accounts. So what you'll be clicking at this point is how to report things. So once you tap on how to report things, then you can see the search button we have up here. So you have to click on the search button. Once you click on that, then search for disabled Instagram accounts. So let's search for that. You don't even need to search for that. Once you click on the search button, they will bring out some options for you to choose. So you can see that we have disabled Instagram account right here. So just tap on it. So once you tap on that, then you read through all this to ensure you understand their guidelines. So once you are done reading all this, then come over here and click on no. Actually, this is basically what they want you to do if your account got disabled. But then I'll be clicking on no because I'm trying to tell them that it was not helpful to me. So once I click on no, then over here you tap on the solution doesn't work. So right here you have to write an appeal to Instagram and request for them to reinstate your account for you. So let me quickly craft an appeal. I'll be pasting this appeal in the description section in case you want to copy it and use for your own sake. So I'm done crafting my message and you can see what we have here. I said, "Hi Instagram team, I am surprised to see my Instagram account got suspended for doing nothing." Then I tagged my account name right here, like I tagged the username. Then I said, "This is my personal account and I have no intention to violate your policies. Kindly help me restore my account. Thanks." So once you are done pasting this, or probably can rewrite it in a way that suits you better. then you click on submit. Can you see? Thanks, your feedback help improve. So basically that is the step you have to take to recover your account. So once you are done sending that message, then you have to wait for 24 hours to 48 hours, and I'm very sure that your account will be restored. So I believe you got value from this video. If you did, ensure to like this video, ensure to drop a comment if it worked for you, and also ensure to subscribe to this channel for subsequent video. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.